Good morning and thanks for joining me. Today is going to be a different day. We are going to work out on a treadmill and we're going to be using a dumbbell. So this is for people that are trying to lose weight and don't have a lot of time. What we're going to do is we're going to hit every body muscle when we use a dumbbell. You just need one. It doesn't have to be too heavy. I'm going to use a heavier one. You can go lighter if you need to. I'm also going to do 20 minutes on the treadmill. I'm going to do an interval training where I'm going to walk for 30 seconds and then I'm going to run for 30 seconds and I'm going to change the speeds up. So I'll be fast forwarding that part of the video for you so you won't have to watch me run for 20 minutes. But I'm going to explain what we're doing, okay? All right, 20 minutes on the treadmill and then we got some weightlifting for only 10 minutes. So this is going to be a 30-minute workout. Ready? All right, ready? 30 minutes of walking at 3.0 and then 30 seconds of jogging at 5.0 to start. Right now I'm watching the time on my treadmill. It doesn't matter. I know you're not going to do this exactly correct because your treadmill may switch from distance to time, but right when it hits that 30 seconds is when you set it up to jog, and when it hits 30 seconds again, you set it back down to walk. So 3 miles per hour right now I'm walking. Once it hits 30, which is soon, I'll be jogging at 5. Jogging at 5. Right now I'm watching the clock. Just keep jogging. It's almost been 30 seconds. I'm going to press the number on my treadmill, 4, and then press speed down to 3, which is a walk. Okay, we're going to be doing that for 20 minutes straight. At some point, if you want to increase the speed to 5.5 or 6, that's up to you. I know I'll be doing that soon. Incline should also be set to 2.0 incline if you have that, because that makes it feel like you're getting a better workout and you burn more calories like you're outside running. Get ready. Last run. 30 seconds. 6 for me. That was it. We're done with the running part. Catch your breath. Take a few steps on this treadmill. On your treadmill. Get a sip of water right now too. Then I'll show you what we're doing next. Now if you're watching this, I recommend having a TV right here to use on your while you're using the treadmill. Makes it easier, makes it faster. I recommend having a radio. I recommend getting some country music or whatever you like, putting on while you're doing those intervals on the treadmill. Now, what you're also gonna want is one weight. I don't care what weight you start with. We're just trying to start working out every day. Okay. Right now I have a 5. Okay. I'm not gonna use this. If you have one, that's okay. You can use the 5. I have a 10. If you have a 10, that's okay to use a 10. Whatever you can do. We're gonna do 3 exercises for 10 minutes, and we're gonna keep going back and forth each exercise, each hand. Okay. And I'm going to be using a 55, so it's going to be hard for me. It doesn't matter what weight you use. Whatever is good for you, it's going to work for you. Whatever you have, I don't care if it's an empty gallon of milk filled with water. That's 8 pounds. Use that. Now there are 3 exercises we're going to do. I'm going to show you a preview of them right now. First one exercise we're going to do is called a row. Okay? You're going to have your dumbbell right here. You bend your knees right here, rest this arm right here on this knee. This one's nice and wide, and all you're doing is you're pulling it up. Okay? We're going to do 10, switch to the other arm, and then we go down to bench press. You're going to bring it up on top of you right here, and one-handed bench press. Your legs to be flat, pushing up on the ground. Just like that. 10, and then switch to the other arm. Then you're going to get up, grab a hold of your dumbbell, and we're going to squat all the way up, just like this, holding on. 1, just like that, okay? You can get as many as you can for each rep until you get tired, and then switch to the other arm. It's up to you, okay? So, I'm going to be doing 10s, okay? For squats, I might do less reps because that is really tiring with something this heavy. Okay, I may just do 5 each arm. Okay, get ready. Starting at 10 minutes. Get set. First one we're going to start is, so we're doing back, we're doing chest, and we're doing legs. We're starting with back. Ready? Our 10 minutes. We're going to start right now. Get ready for back. Rows. After we're done with this 10 minutes, we're done. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're 10. Switch arms. We're just going to do as many sets as we can until the bell rings. Need a sip of water, break. Go ahead and take one. Okay? We're just gonna keep going because this clock is running. Chest. Switch hands. If you're like me, you're already tired. Get this out of the way. One of the legs, I'm going to do 5 each. Squat down, one hand. 1. That one counts. Put it on the ground. 2. It's not a race. 3. 4. 5. Now we're not doing abs because as we're lifting this weight, our abs are working as if holding it on one side, one arm. Your abs are pulling the other way. So you're working them out as you do this exercise and all these other exercises. So back to back. Switch on. Get your breath if you need to. Get a rag. Wipe your sweat off. And go to the next one. Non-stop. Non-stop. Other arm. Squats. Grab it right here. Deep breath as you go up. Hold it. And when you're up, you can start breathing again. Ready? One. I'm just going for 5. Breathe. Calm it down. If you need a break, take one. If not, keep going. Take those legs out. Coming back down to rows. Get your 10. Push-ups, bench press on the floor. Almost done. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Get some squats. Ready. Go. 1. 2. You ready for rows? When the timer stops, we're done. I don't care if you need a break this last 2 minutes. If you don't, keep going. I don't think we'll make it squats. We'll get that last bench press in. "30 seconds. If you have enough breath, do some squats. 20 seconds. Ready. 1, 2. Now switching sides. 1, 2. Oh, that's it. Even it out. Congratulations if you stayed with me this whole time. That was a tough workout. Non-stop dumbbell working out. It's hard. We work all of our muscles out. We work our back, our biceps, our bench press on the floor, and our chest, triceps, shoulders, keeping everything steady with my forearm. For the squats, we worked our core and ab muscles. We also worked our quads, hamstrings, a little bit of calf. Thanks for joining me. Hit the like button if you like this. If you want to keep watching them, also make sure you subscribe if you want to keep seeing these type of videos. My name is Ryan Montgomery. Thanks for joining me.